Hi everyone, so thank you so much for clicking this video once again. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about is grammar important for speaking in English language or not? Yes, guys, since when I have been taking classes of spoken English, since when I have been teaching grammar, after teaching that, I am realizing that grammar is not important to start speaking in English language. Yes, guys, in today's video, I'm going to share my experience. I don't know that what do you think about this matter that is grammar important for speaking in English language or not. According to me, it is not important. But how? Let's explore this topic together. So, guys, why am I saying that grammar is not important to learn English language to start speaking in English language? Because when you talk to someone, that time you don't need all grammar. You just need basic things, right? Basic means tenses, modal verbs, conjunctions, to be, to have. We use these all grammar rules every day while talking to anyone. So I think that these are five basic grammar that we must know, and if we know these things very well, so we can communicate with people easily. But the main question is that should we learn all grammar rules? Should we know all grammar rules for starting speaking in English language? So no, guys, don't waste your time for learning all grammar rules. Just cover this all things, just achieve mastery in these all basic grammars. If you have mastery in this all basic grammar, so whenever you start talking to anyone, that time you can communicate with them, right? Clear all basic grammars and don't focus on all advanced grammar, because advanced grammar means what? If you know basic grammars, if you are able to communicate with people, after that if you are thinking that now I should learn advanced type of grammars, I should start speaking advanced English, so you can learn three types of level of English language. That first is basic level, second is intermediate, third is advanced. So if you are in basic level, so I will suggest you that just learn tenses, modal verbs, conjunctions, to be, to have. It is enough. It is enough to start speaking in English language. If you are in intermediate, so you can learn how to tell a story in past tense, how to describe a story in present tense, and how to make a story by using future tense. You can try to make a story by yourself, means you can try to translate paragraph. You can means for speaking, you can speak and you speak in intermediate level very well. But I'm talking about creating a story. If you think that grammar, you should learn a grammar, means you should focus on advanced grammar, so you can learn that. But you will start learning advanced grammar from intermediate level. If you are in beginning level, so don't focus on advanced grammar, because when you focus on advanced grammar, you will feel confused. You will think that you will be in dilemma. You will not be thinking that you will start speaking in English language, or you are able to speak in English language. You will not feel, because you will be learning advanced grammar. Will be searching for advanced type of vocabularies. You will be searching for advanced type of sentence that you want to speak in your daily conversation, right? And yes, guys, this was the thing that I wanted to share, and I just want to make you understand that if you are in beginning level, so don't focus on grammar, focus on speaking. Because as you have completed your all basic grammar, tenses, modal verbs, conjunction, to be, to have, so these are enough to start speaking. Or if you are thinking that after having a lot of knowledge about English language, I will start from that day, so that day will never come. You will be wasting your time, as I have wasted in my past when I started. So I had been watching videos every day, but I did not try to speak in English language. I was thinking that when I will have knowledge about English language, then I will start speaking English. That's why I wasted my 1 year only for starting speaking in English language. Okay, so I will just suggest you that start speaking from today. Whatever knowledge you have, if you are in beginning level, so cover these all grammar rules, whatever I have talked about that. And after that you can start speaking. And there is nothing like tough. And if you think that after learning grammar I will start speaking, so you will waste your time if you think like, if you are thinking like this. So I hope that you got something from this video, and I think that I am able to make you understand. If you got something from this video, so please like this video, share this video at least one person. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, so please do subscribe, so that you could get my all videos whenever I upload here. So till then, take care, keep doing practice. Have a nice day.